If you want to uninstall Disney+ because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Disney+ on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Click on the little dots to open the Disney+ app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Disney+ is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. Disney+ and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.